The blue monster. Alright, there's our swing arm. He got smart, he finally brought everything to me. So now we find out the bracket I made doesn't fit. What a shocker. So that bolts onto there and then it goes down to here. The only problem is the bracket's over here and ain't down here. So he thinks I can't make a bend that sharp.
I don't know if you can, I hope you can.
So we're going to make a bend that sharp and fit them all. So I'm going to bend this pretty hard here and come over here and bend another bend over here someplace. We'll get this first one in here. And he's going to drill a hole further up. Because I don't feel like bending this back. I could bend it back, but it'd be hard to do. You know, the problem with my stuff is this is not made to be real close. It's not made to be real close like what you need to bend it like we're trying to do. So what'd you do here? You screwed up my damn thing here.
Did I?
Yeah, this goes over there.
All right.
Over there.
Yeah, I see.
You have to have room for it to work. So you just have to go like that. See, when you hit that, it doesn't work, see?
Yeah. I didn't notice that last time.
I did.
I don't know, you take so work perfect.
So when you get too far down, if you go past the center line, then it's going to not bend. It's just going to go like that.
Mm-hmm.
So I made this for a big tool, not a small tool. So I need to move another hole closer, but I can't be this close, I don't think. I didn't put that hole in there to use. I put that into the center dimension.
Mm-hmm. Not big enough anyway.
So I don't think I can go close like this, but I think it's going to be 0.
It's not quite
It
centered.
doesn't fit anyway because the damn hole's too small. So what I have to do is I have to put another hole over here so I can move everything closer to bend it to something tight. That'll be for your future job.
Okay.
Today's job, we're going to bend it right now. Now I can bend this right now straight all the way down 180 degrees.
180?
Yep. With this tool the way it is.
How much do you think we're going to need?
We're not going to need 180 degrees.
I didn't think so.
But we are going to need a pretty good bend. So I got to keep this thing on that center point. See what we're going to do here. See the problem?
No.
Some dumbass.
Oh, who was the dumbass?
I don't know who did that. Some dumbass wasn't paying attention.
A rookie mistake there.
The thing is, this is not quite straight. See how we're above the center point?
Mm-hmm. Hello. Oh. I'm working on my motorcycle right now at the shop. Yeah. No. Nothing. All right. I'll get a hold of you later. Bye.
Okay, now the problem is I don't have enough, so I need to be able to do a tight bend and I can't do it. This tool isn't made for doing this application like this. We need to move this hole closer together.
Want me to run the drill press?
Just think of what I gotta do here. There's ways of cheating the system, just gotta figure out what they are. Give me that black one right there.
Here?
Yes. Actually, I don't need that. There's a piece of aluminum.
Another block?
That strap right there. Your
Where?
hand.
Where?
Next to your hand.
This?
Yes. Just a little. You don't want to push under this piece here, but then it's going to be a problem. Okay, so now okay, put your finger right there and hold that. You gonna hold it or not? I'm trying to
Yeah, I got
do
it.
something here. No, you're not, because it keeps moving every time I let go. See, that's called not holding it. Now, can
Let
you
me get my
hold it
finger
so
on
it
it.
quits moving? You
Yeah.
had 2 fingers on it, but you weren't doing anything yet. Let go. Okay, so, all right, hold it right there. Go right here. The other piece here, I don't know what took off. Okay, that rotated onto that. Okay, well, that might work. Okay, there. Okay, that could work. All right. Yeah, see, the block's made to do that. There, it's, yeah, custom made it to be correct. See that pick up with Phil? No, there's something with Phil.
That one piece of flat one? I thought it was this one right here.
No, it was a
No?
bar.
Oh, the round bar? Yeah.
Okay, so this is going to work right here automatically, and this one's going to work over here. See, it's made.
So it did work. Don't need no more holes drilled.
No, it worked the way it is. We just didn't realize it yet. Okay, so it almost worked.
Keep going with it, can you?
Yeah. I'm not getting a clean bend, but I am bending it. Okay. Now. Too much. Ben's going to put it right here.
Don't forget we're going to drill that hole further forward too, right?
Yeah, it's in the wrong spot. So. I'll probably shoot out.
You weren't kidding on that one. Wow. I know why you stand to the side on that baby now.
You notice I wasn't standing in front of it.
Yeah. I don't think this ratchet was on the ground. I thought the round bar was this thing that went.
What?
I thought it was a round piece that flew.
This is what chased after me?
Yeah.
Did it hit my bike?
No, right underneath it.
Good.
Caught
That's why I had it jacked up in the
It
air.
caught that.
See, over here. See, that's why it was jacked up in the air here, so it went straight through.
Okay.
Trajectory is going like this.
Perfect.
And I was purposely not standing next to it.
Ken, quick question before I fuck up something.
Close.
I can cut this off, right?
I wouldn't cut all of it off, but smooth up a little bit.
Round it out to match my fucking exhaust.
You can open up that your exhaust. It's probably a little thick through here. You can open that up a little bit.
Don't take the bottom.
I wouldn't go put too much of that away just yet. You take out about half of that, leave some of it. You have to put a gasket in the market to see how much you can cut.
Damn near there.
Damn near there, but not quite.
Yep. Take a little bit out of that one. Well, if we're going to move that thing this way, we have to drill another hole in here. That's just going to move the caliper forward, right?
I'm trying to get it to where it's
Yeah, straight through there, right?
to here, but see now I'm a little bit too far over. But it's in the ballpark.
Mm-hmm.
We're just half-ass guessing. We're kind of close. Okay. I still have the same problem with the parts wanting to chase after me. Well, you know why they want to chase after me, don't you?
Mm-mm.
'Cause they don't like me. There might have been a little bit of pressure involved in that,
Just a little bit.
but I didn't want to stand in front of it for obvious reasons. You would probably be standing in front of it,
Right dead nuts.
face and looking at it.
That piece would be in my gut right now.
Yeah. There's a neck over there now.
There's a nick in it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hitting
it was hitting there.
Bar. It quit moving for some reason.
Yeah. Closer.
Only been a little more. It's a back and forth deal here. Need to make me a short bar for little narrow stuff.
Sure you don't want to cut the end of that thing off?
I want to bend this down a little bit. Somebody bent it in the wrong spot. I don't know who did that.
Bad measurements.
Yeah, that's what it was.
From the bad instructions from the owner.
Another sharp edge around here. Yeah, I don't have anything that's gentle on the part. Hey, what was that hitting over here? You've been holding that on me.
I didn't see it.
Jeez.
Aluminum too? Yeah.
Hiding stuff on there. Up with that. Jeez. Hiding out on me there. There's a bolt. So bolted in.
Shit, that's looking pretty good now. Straight.
Just a little off on the overall dimension. So we need to flatten this out just a little bit. That's not going to do it.
Just a little bit.
Nope, not big enough. Diameter's too small. A little bit bigger diameter.
A piece down there and the half piece on the bottom. This thing. There you go.
How about this piece right here? This, I don't know if it'll move. Nope.
Crowbar. Big crescent wrench. Tire iron.
What's this?
Tire iron.
How's that work? Precision adjustment there.
Mm-hmm.
Still a little bit wide. Right on the inside of this
Is it
bracket.
putting pressure on, really? Yeah, a little bit. Not much, really.
Yeah, it's close. Hold that up. Just need a little bit more out of it. This diameter's a little bit small. Do what I need,
A little bit out of it.
that didn't work. It's flattening where I don't want to flatten. We'll just do it this way. Trying to avoid doing it this way, but oh well. It works this way too.
Why'd you not want to do it that way?
It's not pushing on things evenly.
Oh.
But it works.
Perfecto.
No, not yet.
Well, it's not putting pressure or anything right now.
I don't know exactly where this is going to be when you tighten it down.
Yeah.
So this is going to be near loose in here, I'm assuming?
I was going to put a washer between it to straighten, to take up the gap.
Well, this one's overbent slightly compared to what that
Some
is.
kind of a shim,
It's 'cause it's going on an angle like this. As straight as you use. See, it's kind of rounded in here the way I did it.
Yeah.
When you push down the back side, see it's pretty even from here to here. Eyeball looks pretty close. So the offset should be pretty close. If I didn't cut too much. If I went to the inside, because I went too far to be off. There we go.
Pretty good right there.
Well, this is kind of wobbling around because you don't have this tight.
Yeah. Soft.
We're right. We're pretty close. Alright, so you can reuse the same bracket. This hole here obviously is going to have to change a little bit. In here.
Yeah.
So, got a bad angle of the top here we're looking at. Why'd you move it? You just had to move it. Jeez. So this is wobbling around a little bit here, see? So we don't have exactly 100% idea where we're at, but we're pretty close. See, it's dropping in there. We got some movement here, up in the caliper here. But we're in the margin of error, see we're in the middle of the bracket. So now all you gotta do is figure out where you want to put this in relation to where this is going to be. From about here up, it starts to curve a little bit. So from here back, we are in a flat section. So it's pretty close. So the caliper is fairly well on the bottom. I think it's a good spot about in this area anyway.
So it came out right at the top of the brake pad there.
You can pull it out just a little bit if you want this way.
Yeah.
Hold it. And back. Yep. So you can have it more that way if you want. But the bracket's not straight that way.
Not in the middle.
If you want to make the bracket straight, so you're going to be way over here. See now you get into the curve, and see you hit down in here. So you get into that part of the bracket.
Yeah.
Now if you take this and put the hole here and flip it, then you'll be in a straight section.
Well, it'll go down further when I cut this end of it off too.
Yeah, but we're hitting in here. Hitting on the back side.
Go back and further this way then.
So like I said, if you put this side over here, put this as a sharp bend here, you got more clearance. See, this is a radius.
Yeah.
But you're still going to wind up hitting in here. You'll have to put a little notch under there if you want to sit flat. It's no matter where you want the caliper to sit. So if you want to sit way the hell over here like this, you know, you can get in here pretty tight, but you got to flip it around this other way.
Mm-hmm.
Or you start, if you cut this off and make it a lot shorter, then the thing will come way back forward.
That's probably what I end up doing. Drilling that little hole in it.
So you can put 2 holes in here if you want and play around. Put this one over here, and then you put 2 holes here, and you put it in this spot or
Right.
wherever you want to.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of where you want this caliper to sit.
Yeah. I really wanted it on top, but
It doesn't have to be on a, it doesn't have to be on a straight bottom. So
No.
right now it's going to sit like this on the bike at this angle like that.
That's fine.
So it doesn't really matter how it officially goes. So you're gonna leave the stupid ass things on there?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
They're coming off.
So how many hundreds of pounds that thing weigh?
28 pounds to 27 pounds the bare swing arm without these things on it. That's the swing arm and the axle.
So you're getting about 35 pounds with all that crap on there.
Probably.
It's a lot of weight.
Yep.
So they pocketed out a little bit in here for lightening it, but
Still heavy.
this is all solid from here all the way around. All this shit
Whole
here
thing
is
was to make
solid.
it stiff one. They said they want to make it stiff so it doesn't flex when you're going in corners, I guess.
Yeah, but see, when you build it out of solid bar stock, it gets heavy. If you make that out of tubing, you can make it light and strong.
Yeah.
No, they want to make it out of that. You want to be billet. Billet makes it
Billet.
worth more.
Build it.
Billet is always heavier than stamping stuff out. Always heavier. So, oh well, that's why race bikes are made out of tubing and not billet. Only show bikes are made out of billet. All right, day 15 on this project, isn't it?
Yeah, it's about wrapped up now.
Yeah, that's what you keep saying. All right, so there you go. You don't get much for $3 these days.
Yeah, there's way.
And see all these accessory items I got now for my bending fixture? See, I have all kinds of accessories when you work on your bending fixture. All right, that's it for today.